Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are someone who loves exploring mobile games like Pokemon, Go or values your privacy while using location-based apps, then you are going to love what I have for you today in this video. I will be introducing you to Pogoskill, one of the best and easiest GPS location chargers available for both iPhone and Android users. With Pogoskill, you can simulate your location anywhere in the world within just a few clicks. Whether you are gaming, testing an app, or simply want to keep your real location private, this tool has got you covered. I will take you step by step through how it works, what features it offers, and how you can start using it right away. So make sure you watch till the end. Click on the free download button depending on your device, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, Android, or iPhone. After the installation, click on the Get Started option to continue. Now get your Android or iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. You already know the drill, just make sure the cable is properly connected so the software can detect your device next. You will see two options, game mode and general mode for this setup. I'm going to select the general mode as soon as the installation is complete. You will see an interface like this on your screen at the top. You will see a search bar labeled address GPS coordinates. Here you can type any location name, full address, or even exact latitude and longitude to quickly jump to that place on the map. On the right side, you will see a few helpful options to control your map and location. First, change location, single spot movement. Next, we have multi spot movement, joystick movement, and finally, there is jump teleport. Alright, let's get started. Pogoskill lets you easily change your GPS location and simulate movement. Now, I will click on the change location option in the search bar. I will type Miami Beach and select it from the list. Once the location is highlighted on the map, I simply click enter and then hit the start to modify button just like that. My GPS location is now set to Miami Beach. Single spot movement is a feature that lets you instantly change your GPS location to any one specific place on the map. You simply click on the location you want, and with one click, your virtually position jumps there. No movement or road simulations involved. There are different speed modes available like walking, bicycles, and cars. Once everything is set, just click on start and your location will be changed right away. Next, we have multiple spot movement. This feature allows you to create a custom route by selecting multiple points on the map. Your GPS will then stimulate movement along the path from one spot to the next, just like you are actually traveling. Once you have set the speed, just click on start and your movement will begin automatically. Now let's try joystick movement. This mode gives you full control. Just drag the joystick on the screen to move in any direction. You can change the speed too, and the map will update your location in real time. Finally, we have jump teleport with this mode. You can instantly jump between different locations without simulating a road perfect. When you need fast and direct location changes, if you want to return to your real original GPS location, simply click the reset button. This will stop the virtual location and bring you back to your actual position. The Pogo Toolbox gives you more advanced control over your GPS movement, from adjusting speed and direction to customizing how your joystick works. It's a powerful add-on for a smoother experience, so that who can easily change your GPS location using Pogoskill. Whether you want to teleport, simulate movement, or create custom roads, this tool makes it all super simple. You will find the download link in the description below, so make sure to check it out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.